Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Not almost, all the levels given on the upside are achieved today. And this is the screenshot of yesterday's video where we had discussed that our bias would be positive and market is Nifty is due for filling up this gap. So accordingly, market Nifty moved in the upward direction and it has met all the levels given 410, 484, 550 and 600 given yesterday, and it has exceeded our expectation and went up till 16,695, and from there it corrected. So our bias positive side worked and levels given and the direction all worked perfectly fine for Nifty. So what can we expect for tomorrow? Let us go to daily chart first and then move to shorter time frame chart. So as has been discussed in our last video as well as our weekly monthly levels video, this gap has now been filled, and this trend line, the green one you can see, no, this green trend line, while coming down it was acting as a support, and now today Nifty has taken resistance around this level. So if this acts as a resistance even tomorrow, you may see a slight correction and then move upwards. Otherwise, if there is a gap up, you may see higher levels of towards 16,800, 850 or 900. So what are the levels that we can look for tomorrow? Our bias, as we have discussed in our last video and the monthly video, is going to be positive till it is negated. Negated in the sense the levels which we discussed in our weekly and monthly video for Nifty. So let us now move to shorter time. Our bias is going to be on the positive side. Let us write down for and the levels that we are going to look for tomorrow on the top side are 16,720, 16,795, 16,883. On the downside, if there is any gap down or a reversal, 16,582 followed by 16,506. The levels given on the upside are most likely for tomorrow. Let us now move to Bank Nifty. So this gap was filled earlier and now it is moving towards the upper blue band. For those of you who get confused by looking at so many lines, there is no need to worry. All I said is that it is going to move upside. Let us switch back to plain chart. This is one day chart of Nifty, Bank Nifty, sorry. So one day chart of Bank Nifty, and market B, Bank Nifty would be looking to move towards 36,800. So what are the levels that we can witness in the next trading session, our bias is going to be remain positive. And the levels we are going to look on the upper side are 35,920, 36,050, 36,162, 340. If there is any reversal or gap down, 35,768, 35,613, 35,450. Let me repeat. On the downside, the levels are 35,768, 35,613, and 35,450. So our bias is positive. So in no time we'll be looking at 36,162 followed by 300 and 450. So keep these levels in mind while trading. Market Nifty or Bank Nifty can remain continuously bullish, continuously bearish for a long period of time. It's very much possible, and it has been so in the past, and there is every possibility that it may remain so. So we are bouncing from a temporary bottom. So the natural direction of Nifty and Bank Nifty would be on the positive side. So if there is any correction gap down, so based on the levels, you may take a direction on the opposite side, that is on the positive side. So if there is already a gap up of around 1%, 1.5%, then there is a very minimum scope if you are an options buyer or seller. So then it is prudent that you observe the price action and take quick profits if you are an intraday trader. So swing traders can look for 36,600 followed by 36,800 in very near future. Those levels are very much possible. For the levels of this month, you may watch our videos that are made and uploaded on Friday and Saturday. Weekly and monthly levels of Nifty, weekly and monthly levels of Bank Nifty. There we have indicated the levels for this month. So decide your risk, keep losses to the minimum, and maximize your profits. Don't forget to keep stop loss orders as well as trailing stop loss orders. Take care. Bye bye.